written by Leigh Hunt. Abu Ben Adam, may his strive increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. Meaning of the lines: generous Abu Ben Adam, the head of the tribe, deserves the enlargement of his race so that many people grow like him. Once Abu woke up from a long and beautiful dream which filled his mind with peace. In the dark room of Abu, the moon beam showered in to create a heavenly ambience with silvery hue. Amidst the ring of silvery ray, Abu Ben discovered an angelic figure looking as beautiful as a full-blown lotus. The angelic figure was writing in a book whose leaves were of yellow color. Lines 6 to 10. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, "What writest thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, "The names of those who love the Lord." Meaning of the following lines: being a pious man, Abu Ben's mind is always at peace. In fact, peace is so much loaded in his life that it hails courage in his heart. Abu thus remains unmoved seeing the angelic figure. He gently asks the ethereal figure what he was writing. The figure instantly raises his head. The tenderness in his appearance is like a harmonious music which pacify our mind. Abu is let known by the figure that he is making a list of people who love God. Lines 11 to 14. "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, "I pray thee, then write me as one that loves his fellow men." Meaning of lines 11 to 14. With an eager heart, Abu demands to know whether his name is in the list of those who love God. The figure replies negatively, yet Abu is not disheartened. With a more energetic voice, he gently requests the figure to include his name as those people who love God's fellow men. The angel then writes Abu's name and disappears. Important meanings of the words. Abu Ben Adam here refers to the head of the tribe. Tribe meaning race. Increase here means multiply. Lines 15 to 18. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. Meaning of the lines 15 to 18. Next night, the angelic figure reappears once more with a great awakening. He spreads up before Abu the names of those who received blessings of God. Abu's name is on the top of the list. Wrote here means wrote the name of Abu. Vanished meaning disappeared. It refers to the angel in this poem. Awakening meaning dazzling or sparkling. Love of God here means God's love for these men. Blessed, B-L-E-S-T, blessed meaning blessed, B-L-E-S-S-E-D. D-E-E-P, deep meaning profound. Moonlight means moon beams which entered into his room, making it rich meaning the moonlight actually adds grandeur to his room. Bloom meaning blossoming. Book of gold means a book whose leaves are of gold. Like a lily in bloom meaning the sight of an angel wrapped in moonbeam is as beautiful as a full-blown lotus. Exceeding meaning excessive or too much. Peace, calm of mind. Bold meaning courageous. Presence here refers to the angel. Rightest meaning right. Thou meaning you. Vision meaning here the shadowy figure of the angel. Raised meaning lifted. Made of meaning filled with. Accord meaning peace. Those here refers to the pious men. Mine here refers to Abu Ben. Nay meaning the angel replies saying no. Low meaning softly. Cheerily meaning energetically or cheerfully. Pray meaning request gently. Write me here means write his name. His means Abu. As one meaning refers to Abu himself. Fellow men means his tribe.